This video, Singapore Real Estate Market Outlook July to December 2025, is brought to you by the awesome supporters on our platform. Thank you guys so much for making videos like this possible. If you want to join the team, click on the link in the description. Introduction. Singapore's real estate market heads into the latter half of 2025 on a positive note. Despite a moderating economy, property activity remains buoyant. In Q1 2025, UR data show private home prices still rising, and private residential rents edging up plus 0.4%. The combination of resilient demand, low unsold inventory, and easing mortgage costs has encouraged buyers and developers alike. How new project launches, resale, and rental trends in large redevelopment sites unfold against this backdrop will be the key stories. Through D2 2025, let's delve into the latest market insights. New launches, new private home projects are arriving in healthy numbers, and buyers have shown strong appetite. In Q1 2025, developers launched about 3,100 and sold roughly 3,375 units, nearly triple the volume of Q1 2024 and only slightly below Q4 2024 record levels. Several notable collective sale sites have emerged. River Valley Apartments, a 1970s four-story walk-up at 400 River Valley Road, sold for $56 million in early 2025. With only 24 owners, each stands to gain $2 million to $2.6 million. Observers say this deal could break the lull in en bloc sales, signaling developers return to the table. Thompson View Condominium, a mega site on Bright Hill Drive, recently taken private by a UOL Capital and JV at about $810 million, the 504,000 SQFT site could yield approximately 1,240 new units. Upper Serangoon Shopping Center, mixed-use complex. By year-end, roughly 7,200 new private homes are expected to be completed for, with many more in the pipeline. The government land sales program is ramping up supply. For H1 2025 alone, some 8,505 private units are slated for tender 5. Resale market, the resale segment, is similarly upbeat. Public housing resale prices continue their long climb. The National Resale Price Index rose 1.57% in Q1 2025. Demand remains especially strong for larger flats and mature estates, partly because some upgraders and downgrading investors are eyeing HDB stock. Market commentators note that HDB prices have been closing the gap on condo prices, keeping interest broad-based. For buyers who miss new launches, well-located resale flats and condos are still scarce. Few new resale flats will hit their 5-year minimum occupation period in 2025, far below the bumper crop of 2020-21. This tight supply of move-up options will likely support continued HDB price growth in 2025. The private resale market is stable. URA data show nearly 3,565 resale transactions in Q1 2025, and resale prices of private homes rose by about 1.0% in Q1. In fact, the latest property price index indicates a modest plus 0.8% quarterly gain for all private homes in Q1, and analysts forecast further rises. Savills and CBRE expect private home prices to climb around 3 to 4% for 2025, driven by low unsold inventory and steady buyer wealth. In summary, resale markets are on firmer footing. Homes that once lingered on the market are now finding buyers, and price momentum is moderate but positive. En bloc potential there's renewed buzz in the en bloc market. The sale of entire projects to redevelop into new schemes. The commercial property sector is also firming up. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and call us at +65 89,152,789 for your latest news and launches. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.